To join a Blooket game, you need a capable computer, tablet, or phone, and an internet connection. That's it. When the host has opened up the game, this screen will be displayed and you have 3 ways to join the game. You can either scan the QR code with your device's camera, you can enter the game ID displayed right here at play.blooket.com, or if the host has shared a join link, then all you have to do is click that to jump in. Once you've joined, you'll be prompted to enter your nickname or select a randomly generated name. Then you can select a Blook to play as in the game. While you're waiting for the other players to join, you can also play this little hidden mini game right here. When the host starts the game, you'll see instructions on the main screen and then you're off to the races. You don't need a Blooket account to join live games, but if you want to earn tokens and experience points, you can sign up for a free account at blooket.com. Once you have an account, you can play solo games, collect Blooks, and so much more. And to learn more about that, watch this video right here. And if you want to learn about hosting live games for others, click on this video right here. Either way, we will see you in Blooket and we'll see you in the next video.